Okay, so here's a quick tip for those of you like me who don't have a fancy twin screw vise or one of those really nice leg vices. You're going to have to deal with racking. So if I try to mount this piece of 1/2 inch pine into this bench, I'm eventually going to hit, and if I press much tighter you'll see this end closing in. It'll pinch this. I'll get especially in pine, I'll get a nice mar on this wood, not to mention the vise won't hold well. So to solve for that, one thing you can do is to make up a bunch of these. I have 3 in different sizes, and what I'll do is I'll just drop this 1/2 inch right here, put my stock back in, and as I engage my 1/2 inch stock, I simultaneously engage this little spacer, and so my work is tight and nothing's pinching. Just something I've been doing for years. I never thought to share it, so here we go. A way to fix a simple vise from racking. It's nothing more than a piece of wood dimensioned in 2 sizes. This one is 1/2 inch in one direction, 3/8 in the other. You screw a little button to the top. That's just to prevent it from sliding down when you set it up. I've got one here that's 1 inch and 7/8. I got one here that's 3/4 and 5/8. You can make up as many as you want, but it's just a quick, simple way to get your vise to work better. Hope that was helpful. Thank you.